Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. If you are new, please go ahead and consider hitting subscribe. We would love to have you join us. And as always, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy and leave a comment down below. I love talking with you guys. As you can see from the description, we do have a new subscription to unbox. It is the Enlightened Warrior Book Club box. I thought this was really awesome. It says, inspiring others to become the best expression of themselves, one book at a time. You can find this subscription on Cratejoy. I will make sure to leave a link down below. And it is $35.34 a month. And they do have plans where you could go ahead and prepay and get it to where it's actually a little cheaper each month. But I'm going to tell you a little bit about this subscription really fast. And yeah, just fill you in and then we'll open it and see what it's all about. So it says a subscription box for everyone who loves books that both inspire and create growth. The box will include a book of the month, both fiction and nonfiction, a variety of local handmade items, a gift to give someone you love and appreciate, and 2 bonus items that fit the theme of the book. Says bonus items guaranteed to help you celebrate the monthly book, handcrafted items to help create a calm, relaxing environment, a featured item to give to your loved ones that will make them smile, and books that will build an enlightened library in your home. So let's dive in here and see what it is all about. I'm excited. So let's get it open. Here we go. And this is what it looks like when we open it. So we have a card here, some bubble wrap we'll take off, and some pretty tissue paper. Like, almost, I feel like I smelled something. It smells good. I'm not sure. All right. Welcome, Enlightened Warriors. In this month's box, you will find the following: The Slight Edge by Jeff Olson, a unique blend of tea leaves by Hickey's Teas, homemade lilac soap from Valencia Soaps, inspirational bookmark, handcrafted unscented soy candle, a special gift to give to a loved one, plus 2 bonus gifts. And it says, your habits come from your daily activities compounded over time. What we do every single day determines where we ultimately end up. And that is from Jeff Olson in The Slight Edge. So there is the card. So let's see. Oh, take that off. And then this is what we see inside. So let's get to it. Something smells good. So let's start here with the book. It is down on the bottom. Turning simple disciplines into massive success and happiness. So there is the book. The Slight Edge is a way of thinking that enables you to make the daily choices that will lead you to success and the success and happiness you desire. All right. Okay, so this is really interesting. So it's like a motivational. This fast-moving book teaches you one of the most powerful, practical, and important success principles ever discovered. It can change your life, and that's from Brian Tracy, author of The Way to Wealth. Okay, so we have the book, and all right, so this must be the inspirational bookmark. The truth is, what you do matters. What you do every day matters. Successful people just do the thing that seemed to make no difference in the act of doing them, and they do them over and over and over until the compound effect kicks in. And that is from Jeff Olson in this book, The Slight Edge. So there is our bookmark. And this is Handmade Valencia soaps. This lemongrass. That's what I was smelling. So we have a handmade soap here. It smells very good. And this is the unique blend from Hickey's Teas. This says abundance. 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces of water. You steep it for 3 minutes. So there we have it, the tea. And then this is the handcrafted unscented soy candle. So you could just light it for setting a mood to relax. Yeah, there is no scent, so we could use that just to relax. Okay, so that's everything it told us about. So we have this. Let's see what this is. My simple daily disciplines. And so it has like the month and year, and then tells you kind of to keep yourself on track. So that's interesting. All right. So we have we still have 2 bonus gifts and a special gift to a loved one. Oh, well, this is nice. I'm not sure if this is, I'm thinking this must be like a bonus gift, because this we could obviously put the loose tea in and put into the hot water to steep it. That is really cute. Like that's super cute. I really like that. And then we have this. Here's something. It says handmade with love. So let's see what this is. It says for you, and it is really cute, but I am, ooh, what's in here? Is this where we could like write a little note, like a message in a bottle? Get it out. I don't know if I'm supposed to take it out, but I'm curious to see if it's got something written on it already or if it's blank. Because there's 2 of these little okay, so it's blank. So we could do like a message in a bottle kind of thing. That is adorable. So we'll put that back in there. and we will put the lid back. So that is really cute. So that would be the gift, a special gift to give a loved one. And our bonus gifts were the little thing to steep our tea and the daily sheet to kind of keep on track. So this is cute. So I think this box had a good variety of items. I mean, we got a book, we got the candle, some soap, the tea, and like I said, this super cute little steeper, the little gift to give to someone, which is adorable, and the little sheet and the bookmark. So yeah, I think this is a cute little kind of like, you know, book of the month club type subscription. And I'm excited to try this tea. I'm not sure what the flavor, you know, will be. Abundance. But I'm definitely excited to give it a try. And like I said, I don't know why, but this is super cute. So I think it's a good subscription if you're wanting to build a book collection. And then the fact that, you know, it's a different variety every month. It could be fiction, nonfiction. Yeah. So I will leave a link down below if you would like to sign up. Let me know in the comments what you guys thought. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk with you with the next video. Bye.